let's talk about this extraordinary support and resistance signal MTF indicator by LuxAlgo, which actually shows us a lot of things such as breakout, test of zones, retest of the zones, as well as rejection. So guys, you can see it does not only show us support and resistance, there is a lot this indicator shows. So guys, I just want us to break down everything about it to see how it can show us breakout, to see how it can show us resistance zones, to see how it can show us the test of zones and the retest of the zones, as well as rejections. Okay, so guys, in this video I just want to focus majorly on the description and as well the usage of this indicator. Don't ignore it because you hear it is a support and resistance indicator. That's why I've shown you what it shows as extra. So it is extraordinary, or rather a very detailed support and resistance indicator by LuxAlgo. Okay, so guys, I know you're ready for this video, so I welcome you to Money Close Forex Education YouTube channel. Maybe it's the first time you're hearing my voice. I really welcome you. Kindly join us by subscribing to this channel, clicking on that red button written subscribe, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe and honestly know this is where you'll belong. If you're ready, part of this amazing family, I really salute you. Okay, so guys, to add this indicator, you're just going to click on indicators tab in TradingView.com. Once you click on indicators tab and the indicators, you're just going to type support and resistance signal MTF LuxAlgo. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear like this right on your charts. And so guys, this is the indicator I'm basically showing you, because you can see there is a lot it shows on our chart. There is T, there is B's, there is signals, there is areas highlighted. Everything that you can see is what we're just going to break it down. That's what I've told you. Let's look at this indicator first before even we come up with a strategy of using this indicator. So guys, I would love to talk about the description of this indicator. So guys, you're supposed to know the support and resistance signal MTF indicator aims to identify one of the key concepts of technical analysis: support and resistance levels, and more importantly, the indicator aims to capture and highlight major price action movements such as breakout, test of the zones, retest of the zones, as well as rejections. Okay, so this indicator supports multi-time frame functionality, allowing users to analyze and observe the support and resistance levels and their associated signal from the higher time frame perspective. So guys, identification of key support and resistance levels is an essential ingredient to successful technical analysis. So guys, that's a description of this indicator. So without further ado, allow us to look at the usage of this indicator, and kindly pay close attention, because we're just going to start with the usage number 1, then I will talk about usage number 2, then I'm just going to show you how this indicator can show us breakout, test of zones, retest of zones, as well as rejection. So guys, usage number 1: support and resistance are key concepts that help traders understand and analyze, act on chart patterns in the financial market. So guys, what you can probably see on our chart over here is what we're calling support and resistance levels. And as you know, support described a price level where a downtrend pauses due to demand for an asset increasing, while a resistance refers to a level where an uptrend reverses as a sell-off happens. So guys, each and every zone you will see highlighted on our chart over here in red and also in green color. These ones over here, they show us support and resistance levels. That's what you're really supposed to know. So guys, the creation of support and resistance levels comes as a result of an initial imbalance, supply and demand, which forms what we know as a swing high or swing low. This indicator starts its processing using the swing highs or lows. This one over here, you will see them highlighted. Okay, these ones over here, and you can see they're indeed extended. So they are the swing highs and the swing lows. So this swing high and swing lows are levels that many of the market participants use as a historical reference to place their trading orders, buy, sell, or stop loss. As a result, those price levels potentially become and serve as key support and resistance levels. So guys, you can see the effectiveness of support and resistance levels because they are a result of the swing highs and the swing lows. So guys, when a swing high is detected and if price action is close to previous created zone, then the zone will be extended, else a new zone will be created. So this indicator shows you all this. You see them right on your chart. So guys, one of the most important features of this indicator is the signal it provides. So indicator follows the major price movement and highlights them on the chart. So this signal, they are actually highlighted on chart. So guys, how does this indicator shows us breakouts? And what you're supposed to know about break, they are non-repainting. They're not really repainting. So guys, a breakout is a price moving outside a defined support or resistance level. The significance of the breakout can be measured by examining the volume. The indicator is not filtering them based on volume, but provides volume information for the bar where the breakout takes place. So guys, as you can see over here, the indicator is showing us resistance over here, and as well you can see the breakout, they are actually shown by the B label, and as well showing you an arrow. So guys, once a zone is breached, a support zone will become a resistance, and a resistance zone will become a support zone. So guys, you can see there is a label tool or tip. So when there is a bullish breakout, it shows you a high trading activity. So to know a breakout, you will see a B highlighted. You understand me? And this is so evident because you can see over here, this was our resistance, which was broken above, it became our support. And when our support is actually broken below, it becomes our resistance. So as well, guys, there is manipulation zones, which are actually circled by a yellow circle. In case price breaches slightly the zone, so there is manipulation zone as well. You're just going to see them on the chart. I don't want to focus on that majorly because most of us knows about breakout. And as well, guys, this indicator shows as a retest, and a retest is a case where price action breaches a zone and then revisit the level breached. We all know this, and so to make you understand it better, this is a very great example. Like for instance, over here this level was broken, and when it comes to this level over here, it is shown by a label R. That's what you're supposed to know. It shows you that the level breached and price revisits the level over here. You understand me? When a level is breached and then price revisits the level, that's what we call a retest. You understand me? And so guys, this indicator as well can show us the test. And I know you can ask yourself, what is a test? A test is a case where the price action touches the support or resistance level. We know all this. I just want to go real quick when we are being shown test. And the test, I told you, is case where the price action touches support or resistance level, and we are shown by the indicator with letter T. When you see letter T, it shows you a test whereby price touches the support or resistance zone. Okay, so guys, I'm moving real quick because I know most of us knows about this thing. And finally, the indicator shows us rejection, and we know rejection are pin bar patterns with high trading volume. So to understand this, have a look. So guys, this is basically what we call rejections, and basically this indicator shows us rejection using pin bar patterns with high trading volume. You understand me? And so rejection, you will see them also using the wicks. What you really have to do is looking for areas where we have support and resistance, and you will see this when price actually touches the support and resistance level. And I told you this can be shown by letter T on your chart. You can find a pin bar, you can find multiple rejection by having the wicks at the zone, and this indicator majorly focuses on the pin bar. Okay, so guys, that's what this indicator shows. You're supposed to know the multi-time frame, or rather what we call the MTF functionality, allow users to analyze and observe the support and resistance level or zones and the associated signal from higher time frame perspective. So this indicator, you can use it in every time frame. Okay, so guys, that's what I really wanted to show you using this indicator. And for real, it is not an ordinary indicator because you can see all that it shows right on our charts. Okay, so guys, let me hope you learned something from this video. The indicator is called support and resistance signal multi-time frame by LuxAlgo. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't liked this video as well. Turn on your notification bell because I believe you need this kind of content as far as forex trading is basically concerned. So what do I say, guys? Success in everything you do. Continue working here because I really know one day your hard work will pay. So what do I say, guys? Bye bye, see you.